Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the laptop radio is on. Many machines have a physical switch or FN key. Turn it on so the OS can see networks. Next, confirm the exact SSID and password from the router or admin app because case and symbols matter. Once done, open your operating system's Wi-Fi controls, Windows settings, or the Mac OS Wi-Fi menu, and let the list populate so you can pick the network you intend to join. You now select the correct SSID from the populated list. Pick the exact name to avoid connecting to a neighbor's network. When prompted, type the password slowly and verify characters. Show password once to confirm if unsure, because authentication fails on typos. Make sure the network's security type matches WPA2 or WPA3. If advanced options appear, choose the appropriate band 2, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and leave IP set to DHCP unless you require a static address. You finish by confirming the link. Open a web page or ping a reliable host to ensure packets flow. Once connected, make the network private if you trust it so file sharing and discovery behave correctly, and save the network for automatic future connection. If something goes wrong, try one key fix. Toggle the laptop's Wi-Fi adapter off and on, or run the built-in network troubleshooter. This resets the stack and resolves most common issues without deeper configuration changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.